Hi everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is day 14 and today we are going to solve this problem LeetCode 3227 vowel game in a string. So this is basically a medium level problem. Okay, so let's see what is the problem statement. So Alice and Bob are playing a game on a string. Okay, you are given a string as Alice and Bob will take turn playing the following game where Alice start first. On Alice's turns, she has to remove any non-empty substring from S that contains an odd number of vowels. Okay. On Bob's turn, he has to remove any non-empty substring from S that contains an even number of vowels. Okay, cool. So the first player who cannot make a move on their turn lose the game. We assume that both Alice and Bob play optimally. Fine. So basically, we have to return true if Alice wins, else we have to return false, which ideally means Bob wins. So we all already know like vowels, we have a total 5 characters, A, E, I, O, U, as already mentioned here as well. So let's see the examples. So string is LeetCoder, and so basically first take is of Alice always. So we need to take return the substring which consists of odd number of vowels. So if we check here in LeetCode, yeah, we have odd number like 3. So as per the example also given here, so Alice will return and we will left with DER. So in that case, even in Bob turn, he has to choose the even number only of vowels, which is not possible. So ideally here, Alice will win, right? Now, in the second example, we have BBCD. Here we don't have any vowel at all. So in that case, Alice in the first take, still not able to find any substring, so she is not able to win. So we are writing false. Fine. In the constraint given as can lie between 1 and 10 to the power 5. Fine. And S will always consist of lowercase English letter. Fine. So I think it's like quite easy person. So in simple case, like we will first check like a base case scenario. We will first check if in the given string input, do we have any vowels at all present or not? If it is not, then we will simply return false. If in case it is present, then we will count how much vowels is present. And if it is like odd presence, then ideally Alice will win anyhow. And if it is not, then Bob will win, right? So fine. Here, let's try to solve in Java. We'll do one thing. I will take a count, v vowel count. Okay. Let's make is that just 0 by default. We'll iterate through our given strings. So we'll convert it into characters. So it will be easier to check whether the current character is a vowel or not. Now we'll use to char array. Fine. And here we have to create one helper method, which will basically tell whether this is a vowel or not. I'll take boolean as return is vowel method, and we'll take character as input here, and we'll simply return by matching the characters. If C is A, so as given it always be a lowercase. So we'll directly check by giving this 5 condition. or you. So if any of the character got matched, it will return true. Fine. So our helper function is created. Now we'll check in the loop if coming character is vowel, then we'll simply, yeah, if the current coming character in the loop is vowel, we'll simply count, increase the counter. Fine. So we'll completely count the value, and in return part we'll simply return if our total number of variable count is odd. If it is odd, then it means it will be false, else true. Okay, let's see. So here one test case got passed and one got failed. Okay. So what happened here is, so in example one you can see like we have in the simple string we have total 4 characters. So if in this case it will always return false because it is having the even counts. So instead of counting all, like if any one character is present for this vowel, in that case we'll return directly true from here itself. So in this Alice will always be with her, right? So we'll return from true here itself if we found a vowel. Otherwise we'll return false. Okay. Now let's try now. Yeah, so both got passed. Let's try to submit. So yeah, like it got passed and total 627 test cases got passed. Right. So if here we talk about the time complexity, so like we are iterating through the string length, so it will be big of n, and for a space complexity it will be big of 1 because we are taking in the one constant space. So yeah.